Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sunika. If you've ever been confused about how Power Platform licensing actually works, you're not alone. Whether you're building apps in Power Apps, automating workflows in Power Automate, or using Copilot to add AI into your projects, understanding the right license is absolutely essential. In today's video, I'll break down the entire Power Platform licensing model in a simple and visual way. We'll go step by step through the key types of licenses, how they're different per app, per user, AI Builder credits, Copilot access, and most importantly, how to choose the right one for your scenario without overpaying. Let's see licensing in detail. Licensing is basically how Microsoft controls who can use which feature of the Power Platform and how much access they get. It's like a permission ticket. Some users only need to use one app, while others may need full access across multiple apps or automation tools. So, instead of giving everyone everything, Microsoft designed different license models. The main ones are per app license, per user license, and AI Builder/Copilot credits for advanced features. First point is per app license. It allows a user to access specific apps only, usually one or two. Best for users who use just one business app, cost-effective for large teams. Second is per user license. Gives full access to create and use unlimited apps and flows. Ideal for developers, power users, or anyone using multiple apps daily. Third is AI Builder/Copilot credits. Used to pay for AI features like form processing, predictions, or Copilot chat. It's a consumption-based model. You buy credits based on usage. Fourth is how to choose. Few apps per app license. Many apps or creators per user license. Using AI, add AI Builder or Copilot credits. Let's see core licensing concept. Per user license gives a named user broad ability to run unlimited apps and build in the environment, depending on the SKU. Good when a single person needs many apps. Per app license gives a named user the right to run a specific app or portal at a lower cost than a full per user license. Used when you have users who only need one or two apps. Add-ons and credits. AI Builder used to be billed with AI Builder credits. Microsoft is moving AI features toward Copilot credits. Some premium connectors and features can require additional SKUs. Tenant capacity/message packs. For Copilot Studio agents, an organization can buy tenant-level message capacity, message packs/pay-as-you-go, so end users don't each need individual Copilot licenses to interact with published agents. This matters for scaling chatbots. Let's see the Power Platform SKUs. SKU still stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It refers to a specific licensing or product edition. For example, the different Power Apps, Power BI, or Power Automate plans like Power BI Pro or Power Apps per User plan are considered separate SKUs. Power Apps per User, full user license. Developer plus runtime for unlimited apps. Power Apps per app, licenses per app/portal per user. Good for targeted scenarios. Power Automate, separate licensing for flows. Per user, per flow plans exist. AI Builder/Copilot credits, the consumption meter for AI features, more below. Copilot Studio, authoring and runtime rules differ. Authors need Copilot Studio user rights. Running agents can be covered by tenant capacity or individual Copilot licenses. Let's see the summary of Power Platform licenses and which plan is best. Small Blue Diamond Power Apps. Per app plan, best for users who need access to just one or two apps. Per user plan, best for power users or developers who use multiple apps regularly. Small Blue Diamond Power Automate. Per user plan, great for individuals automating their own workflows. Per flow plan, best for teams or organizations running shared business processes. Small Blue Diamond Power BI. Free for personal reports and dashboards. Pro for sharing and collaboration within your organization. Premium for large enterprises needing advanced analytics and high capacity. Power Pages. Authenticated users plan, best for partners, employees, or customers who log in. Anonymous users plan for public websites or visitor-based access. For Power Virtual Agents, Copilot Studio. Per tenant plan, best for organizations that want to deploy chatbots across departments or customer support. Let's see Power Platform Licensing Overview. Power Apps Premium. Indian Rupee 1, 665/user/month. Yearly for unlimited apps. Smaller per app options exist. Power Automate Premium. Indian Rupee 1250/user/month. Bot/flow options from Indian Rupee 12480/month. Power BI Pro. Indian Rupee 1165/user/month. Premium per user. Indian Rupee 1995/user/month. Choose per user plans for heavy users, per app/flow or smaller packs if usage is limited. Prices shown are list marketing prices and subject to change. Some plans, like per app or pay-as-you-go, may not be clearly listed but are still available via volume licensing. Reddit. Always check your exact billing currency, region, and contract terms before purchasing. Now, let's talk about one of the most confusing areas: the difference between included and premium Power Platform features. If you already have a Microsoft 365 license, like Microsoft 365 E3 or E5, or even Dynamics 365, you automatically get access to some basic Power Platform capabilities. That means you can create simple apps and flows using standard connectors such as SharePoint, Excel, Outlook, and Teams, basically tools within the Microsoft 365 environment. However, this included license has limitations. For example, you can't use premium connectors like Salesforce, SAP, SQL Server, or Dataverse, which is Microsoft's advanced data platform. You have limited data storage and no access to premium governance or advanced automation features. So if your organization wants to build enterprise-grade apps, connect to external systems, or use Dataverse as a robust backend database, you'll need to move to a standalone Power Platform license, such as the Power Apps per User or Power Automate per User plan. In short, included equals basic features within Microsoft 365 tools. Premium equals full access, enterprise connectors, and advanced capabilities. Next up, let's talk about the newer pay-as-you-go licensing model for Power Apps and Power Automate. Traditionally, you had to buy licenses per user or per app every month, whether you use them or not. But with pay-as-you-go, Microsoft gives you a much more flexible option. Here's how it works. You connect your Power Platform environment to an Azure subscription. Every time a user runs an app or flow, usage is tracked and billed through Azure, just like any other Azure resource. You only pay for what you use, instead of paying for inactive users or apps. This model is perfect for pilot projects or short-term apps, organizations that want to test Power Platform before scaling up, teams with fluctuating usage, where fixed monthly licensing wouldn't make sense. Essentially, PAYG brings cloud flexibility to Power Platform, allowing you to start small, monitor costs, and scale up later when usage becomes consistent. We've covered everything you need to know about Power Platform licensing, from the main SKUs and pricing, to the difference between included versus premium features, and even the flexible pay-as-you-go model. Remember, choosing the right license really depends on your organization's needs. Start small, explore what's included with your Microsoft 365 subscription, and upgrade when you need premium connectors or enterprise features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video on Power Platform best practices and cost optimization tips. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which Power Platform tool your organization uses the most: Power Apps, Power Automate, or Power BI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.